What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. We still haven't thought of another intro because we're recording this video immediately afterwards. Haley, that is your homework, your responsibility for the channel. I need you to come up with something that you're going to say at the beginning. You understand?
I understand.
Like somebody who gets tons of views on YouTube.
Mr. Beast.
You don't watch Mr. Beast.
Yes, I do. I've only seen his shorts on YouTube though.
Like Travis Scott shorts?
Yeah.
I made the video on.
Yeah.
All right. Before we go any further, a word from our sponsor. Haley, who's the sponsor?
JESUS.
Thank you, Jesus, for sponsoring this video and all of these videos, and you're the reason we make these videos. Matthew chapter 27, verse 46, Jesus was hanging from the cross. He looks up to God and he says, my God, why have you forsaken me? Hebrews 13:5 says that God will never leave us or forsake us, and I trust that the reason why God's never going to leave and forsake me is because I trust that Jesus took all the forsaking when he was on the cross for me. So thank you, Jesus, for taking that forsaking for me, sponsoring me, and sponsoring you too. As long as you just trust. So, all right, let's get into this. These are all three the same shoe, and I've had these actually for several days now. It's unusual though that
Other side, remember?
we get these so quickly. It's people that will actually get these so quickly. They normally sit around and don't ship, but they shipped all these things pretty quickly. These things, they got here like a couple days after the drop. This was a shock drop. Most of us, I knew about it coming in the shock drop during the Sneakers Live event, and I really only wanted 2 pairs. No, actually I wanted 3 pairs, but not these sizes. Oh, that's not what I thought. I don't know what that is. All right, we're gonna put that one back. Actually, I do know what that is, and I haven't opened it. I've had that one for longer than anything. Put it down there. Actually,
I can't from home again.
you're holding the camera. All right, here we go.
Okay, so we're reducing it to 2.
This is the right one. I wanted one of these for a buddy at church. His name's Chris. He wears size 12. Ended up getting his size 12. He also got a size 12 in the shock drop because I told him the shock drop was coming. And then I got 2 size 6.5s. The other size 6.5 is somewhere here. The size 12, I'm not keeping it. I may try to go for these again. 2 of my friends that have their accounts for me had exclusive access to these today. I told them not to go for them. I have seen these in person, but I haven't really. But they were in plastic, so I'll look at them now and decide if I want them. I think I might actually probably try to go on a couple of accounts just to get my size. They'll probably sit up here like, I don't know, like these. I don't ever wear these. I haven't worn these in a while. These are one of my favorite pairs of shoes. I just don't wear them. Hardly wear these at all.
You also really haven't had anywhere to go.
Yeah, that's true. I don't go out a lot. But also, I'm 11s are my favorite. So 11.
Oh, I think I know what these are.
And 9, 11 low. So, all right, let's take a look at what I am excited about these, though. I'm excited about smelling them.
I'm just excited about seeing them.
And what else am I going to do?
The little Chinese finger cuffs.
The little Chinese finger.
Are they red and white?
Yes,
they are. Oh, those are so cute.
You like these?
I love these.
You like these better than any of the other 11s that we have in your size?
If we had the white ones, the high white ones of my size, those would be my favorite. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
These are coming out next year.
I should get them.
So this is the holiday.
Those are my favorite ones we have.
Every holiday season, normally in December, we get our retro 11, and this is the retro 11. It's not an OG colorway. This is the first time this colorway has come out. This is actually white and varsity red and black. I guess there's just a little bit of black on it, but it's white and varsity red. But they're nicknamed the cherries because there was a cherry of this that was white up here and red everywhere else. And I had those. I had the cherry 12s back in the day. And I took it back because I didn't really like them, and the bottom was peeling off. Like this little piece was peeling off. It's on that piece, on that other shoe though. And I ended up trading them for a white version of these. So because I'm not that big on red, but I do like. Oh,
I really like those.
I do kind of like these.
This is what I'm saying.
That's it.
Sorry, I had to give you a second for the sniff.
That's it. It's not quite as strong as some 11s, but it is the smell of an 11.
It smells like Academy.
It is the smell of 11s, and I'm gonna go for my size. Or I guess I should just. I don't know if I'm gonna sell this or just maybe I'll take it to the memory lane and see if they'll trade.
I don't know what it is about it, but actually I do know exactly what it is about it.
What?
I always say that I like white, or shoes that have a lot more white than they do any other colors. Most, those are my favorite. Like those little purple dunks over there. I like those because they have a lot of white.
Mm-hmm.
I like the black and white 11s up there because they have a lot of white. I like up here.
Oh, yeah.
Because they have a lot of white. And
Yeah,
those I love because they have a lot of white.
But this has too much red. But I think I might.
No.
If you want a pair, then maybe I'll keep a pair. This is just factual. But I think, I think it's just for the sake of the 11. I think I need to keep this.
I'm not even a fan of red either because I don't have that much red. But I really like those.
Oh, let's see. What can I say about this? The patent leather. I made a video. I don't know where it is. It's way back, and I was at Memory Lane. I had like 50. I had four different pairs of 11s out, and I was comparing the thickness of the patent leather, and it was to talk about creasing because a thinner patent leather should crease more quickly, and this one is fairly thin. So I don't know, but these crease in a couple different places. They're going to crease around here, and they're going to crease up here and here, and none of mine I wear very much, so they don't really have a whole lot of creasing in them. Most of the creasing in them is just on the back. So another thing I'm gonna do, actually these aren't mine, so I'm not taking this out. Take that black trash out of there. Take a look at this one. I think I also want to do a little comparison. Yeah, this is something I wanted to look at. I was thinking about for a while. You like it?
Yeah.
So I think there's another reason I like this. I think I prefer the low cut patent leather.
Is this low cut? Oh, it is low cut.
That looks low cut.
That doesn't.
This is not.
No, that definitely doesn't.
It's not a low cut model, but the grade school looks.
See, I don't like those as much as I like the Baker ones. Because when you put them side by side, it looks a little bit the same, but the bottom is too blue. And everybody here knows I hate red, white, and blue shoes.
Oh yeah.
I hate red, white, and blue shoes.
The carbon fiber is significantly different and this happens on most of them, I think. Between the adult side, the men's size, and the kids. Maybe it's because the kids isn't real carbon fiber. But this actually feels more like carbon fiber than that one.
It feels like they put a piece of glass in there.
Carbon fiber is basically fiberglass.
Oh. This is like what I was looking for. A little Chinese finger cuff.
Well, I don't know the number on these because I hadn't really paid attention. The volume on this was supposed to be like 500,000, which was, I think this was supposed to be since the Cool Grays last year, this was the most widely produced Jordan retro ever.
Wow.
And I think this is supposed to be close, but we know these were actually fairly hard to get, not easy to get. I got 4 pairs. These were, and it's because of demand. It's because of demand. People want these because it's a Chicago one. The demand was high on these, but I think I got
like 12 pairs.
14 pairs. So I got 3 pairs of these so far. I'll probably go for one more. I'm gonna get rid of these unless Haley just really wants this. But at least it isn't like blue.
Yeah.
It's icy.
Yes.
I do like icy, and I mean I like blue, but I think the icy adds to this. What else can I say about this shoe? I prefer, even though the ballistics material mesh is OG, I prefer the leather up here. This one has the leather. Well, I guess it's OG for the Concord. This one had leather originally, but I do like these, and I like that. I'd prefer the leather, but might have to do a lace swap, black lace. It's got to stay like this.
Yeah, it's got to stay white.
Gotta stay. No extra laces come with it. Beautiful outsole. Man, this is just a pretty shoe. We'll see. I might have to go for these myself. I'll probably just go with a couple of accounts. I do that sometimes, like for Jordan 6s that I don't really want, but I kind of want to make a video and I might want to keep. I'll go with like one account and only hit because I don't really want them. But I like these better. We'll get Hesper's opinion on this too, since I do have 2 size 6.5. Otherwise, though, I need to take these up to memory lane and do something with them.
Do something. I think if you can get that, and you can trade it for 6.5 on that 4, then it's yes.
I don't think so.
I've been asking for you to get the 6.5 in that shoe every single time we record a video.
Really?
Yes.
I never
Just
was
because
able
they're
to-
so white and they're 4s. Yes.
I don't really like them.
Bruh. Maybe there'll be another nice white 4 to come out, but it'll be
Sure.
like
There's gonna be a nice
pink
white 3 next
and
year.
white and pink.
Hesper asked me today, or just the other day, I think I already posted this on a video, but I want to make a video on this and talk about my favorite shoes from this year. Only, like, people talk about top 10s. Seth Fowler, he did a video on the top 10 Jordan 4s from 2022. So how many Jordan 4s were there? 11? Or 9? And he's going to do his top 10? It just didn't make any sense. I'm going to talk about, like, maybe my top 5, including the ones I didn't get. Or I'll probably go up to at least to make sure there's at least one in there that I didn't get, that I wasn't able to get. There is at least one. I need to do a little bit more research, but as she and I were laying in bed the other night and she was looking at it, there was at least one that I want that I didn't get or wanted, which might mean she was fishing for
A Christmas gift.
But I don't think so, because I don't think she. I would rather her not spend $300 or $400 on a shoe for me for Christmas. There's something that makes it more special, more better when you hit these on retail. Even if it's something that you can sell on StockX and lose $5 on because you got to pay fees, it's still something special. So basically, it's not worth any money. It's not like you saved a ton by hitting on retail. It's just the fact that you hit on it retail.
Right.
Unless they sit afterwards, and then it's not quite as exciting. And that's, I guess, hype, right?
Yeah,
Part
because you're a hype
part of the
beast.
definition of hype.
No, you're
Not
just
all
a
of
hype
it.
beast.
No,
I'm just kidding.
Not all of it.
I'm
It's
just
part of the
kidding.
definition of hype. Anyways, these are going to drop on December the 10th. All the YouTubers have already made their videos on these. I did not get them early. And that reminds me, we didn't put this in the Amamanier video, but like Amamaniers are generally known for not being very available before the drop. All the YouTubers made their video and posted their video the day of or the day after the drop. The Amamanier drop. Nothing was even shipped, much less received by the day after. So that doesn't make any sense. Like almost all the YouTubers did it the day of or the day after. Anyways, I like this shoe.
We're on to you guys.
If you like red, and I'm not hating on anybody for loving this shoe, because if you like red, especially on your shoes, then I mean this would be like the shoe for you if you really like red on your shoes.
Yeah.
So, we should check to see which insole is in this.
Not that one, because you're not keeping it, remember?
It's alright. What does it matter?
Oh, that's
Check
not what you
the
were talking
insole.
about.
What do you think I was?
Oh, well, whenever you said that earlier, I think you were talking about the paper. I thought you were talking about taking the insole out.
See,
You're like, I'm not going to take the insole
insole?
out. I don't see that it's a thick piece of foam, yep.
What color is that foam?
White.
Which means it is made out of
Polyurethane.
polyurethane. We get
You know, I guess every single time you ask me that, I don't even know. Oh,
What's the other
ortholite?
one? The other one is ortholite. Crap is ortholite.
I literally
What's
don't even know the
what's
difference.
the other one? What color is ortholite? The
Blue.
ortholite of Nike. It's blue.
Oh my
What
gosh,
is the
I'm
other
so
one
good.
insole? There's one more they just came out with.
Memory foam.
No.
I don't know.
It's black, and it's kind of polyurethane.
Move to zero.
Not like that one. I think that they might have a different insole in some of those. No, it's called Dream Cell.
Oh,
I don't really like that.
shucks.
It's better than ortholite, but not as good as this. Let's see if you get it too. It's gonna take me a minute. These come. Why? Like some Jordans don't come laced, some do. The Amamaniers came like
Super
cinched
laced.
tight. Yeah.
Cinched.
So I don't know why, but what else?
Don't know why she swallowed a fly.
Guess
My,
you'll
oh
know.
my, I think she'll die.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my
That
gosh.
means this is not polyurethane. This is some gray,
Oh no.
probably ortholite, which is a little bit more dense than ortholite, but I mean it's pretty dense.
Ortholite's a little bit more dense than ortholite?
This polyurethane or whatever this is a little bit more dense.
It's
So
memory
it might
foam.
be better. I don't want to pull the whole thing out. Let me just pull the whole thing out.
Oh my lordy.
We need to learn, like, I think
Learn
that's
what?
why this is different, because it's not the good stuff that they put in the men's shoes.
But what's so crazy is that every single one of your shoes looks just like that.
Yeah, I don't know where this came from. What the heck is this? It's better than ortholite, maybe, probably. But. All right, y'all let me know what you think about these down below. Should we be calling these the cherries, even though there is no cherry and the colorway isn't even cherry? We should call them cherry?
Yes.
Why?
Because they're red, like a cherry.
Red. Okay. Put that back in later. Or is it a disservice to the Jordan 12 cherry to call this a cherry? But it's Varsity red. I don't remember what the colorway was.
There's like
The actual
42
color
million
was.
Varsity reds.
It might have been Varsity red on the other ones, on the 12s too. I don't know. But y'all let me know if you're going to go for these on December the 10th, I think is when they drop. And I think there would be plenty to go around that day, unless Nike got rid of them all. But if Nike got rid of most of theirs, I think you're still going to have an easy time hitting on one of the shoe sites, not shoe sites, but shoe raffle sites. Finish Line, Exclusive Access, Hibbett Raffles, and Foot Locker, Champs, Athlete's Foot.
Yeah, I don't know anything.
Something like that. You'll probably be able to hit on at least one of those if you want them. So I don't think it'll be a problem getting these from retail. So tell your grandma about the Jordan 11 Cherry. It's the Jordan 11, the holiday Jordan 11 high for the year. Next year, hopefully we're going to get these again. If not, hopefully
I hope we get.
Concords.
Oh, I was gonna say something about a dunk, but that's not even a Jordan, so I don't know.
We're talking about Jordan 11 holiday.
Right. I was just saying. I hope the next holiday shoe is a dunk, a low dunk.
Holiday shoe.
Yeah, because you're just saying. No, you're just saying. No, I know, but you're saying you're calling it holiday, and so that's making me think that there's gonna be another one like that. Because it wasn't there like a not called holiday, but like a quote holiday shoe last year. Like it like looked like Christmas colors around Christmas time.
There's like a Christmassy, wintry.
I hope there's
Sean Cliver dunk that's pretty.
Yeah, that's why I hope comes out. I hope this is what I'm okay. Anyone who works at Nike and is listening to this, you should make a dunk where like on that purple one, where the purple part is, should be like a little not fuzzy, but like just a little bit fuzzy, like a sweater, and make it Christmas colors. Get a Christmas sweater dunk.
Yeah, that would be.
I know.
I think there's probably already.
Psh, no, there's not.
All right, y'all tell your grandma, smash that like button, comment down below what you think about these and whether you're going for them or not. And I'll see you next time.
Did you say tell your grandma?
I said tell you.
Oh, well, tell your grandma again.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Juice. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.